Volvo SD115B is a soil compactor, mainly single drum vibratory roller, used in construction and road building projects. It is designed to compact various types of soil and aggregates to achieve a firm and stable result. The thermoplastic marking unit is designed to apply lines in various combinations from 5 to 50 centimeters wide. Width and number of valves can be changed optionally. The valve angle control system allows applying lines with systematic profiles and patterns, starting from straight lines. The Cat 24 engine grader is a powerful and versatile construction machine manufactured by Caterpillar. It is designed for various tasks in construction and road construction projects. It has a robust engine and an effective blade system, thus successfully performing tasks such as land leveling, road construction, ditch digging, and general soil movement. Wirtgen WR250 is a cold recovery and soil stabilization machine. These machines are generally used to align, strengthen, or improve roads by scraping old road materials and adding stabilizing materials. WR250 is designed as equipment that can be used effectively, especially in road construction and maintenance projects. Wirtgen 5700D is a machine that produces concrete edging stone and similar building elements. These types of machines are generally used in roadsides, sidewalks, parking areas, and similar infrastructure projects. Wirtgen 5700D allows concrete to be placed in a specific form so that smooth and durable edging stones can be created. GOMACO Corporation's 3-track Commander III is a specialized profiler/shaper machine used for concrete road construction. These machines are designed for the arrangement and creation of concrete roads. The 3-track Commander III is part of a series of machines commonly used in road construction projects, paving works, and similar infrastructure projects. GP4 slipform paver is a special machine used in road construction and concrete paving projects. Slipform pavers are designed to efficiently and precisely lay concrete for roads, highways, airport runways, and other infrastructure projects.